Hello students, in this video we will discuss some more questions of exercise 14.3. Let's take question number 2. And this question is very important question, and this question generally comes in examination for 3 to 4 marks. So in this question it is given that the median of this data is 28.5 and we need to find the missing frequencies or the value of x and y. So what is the process to solve this question? The process will remain same as we find the median. So first of all, what we need to find? We are given with the class interval and frequencies, and now first we need to find out CF. So how to find CF? We have discussed in the earlier video. First 5 as it is, then 5 में x ऐड into 5 plus x, 5 plus x में 20 करेंगे ऐड, तो 25 plus x and so on. 25 plus x में 15 करेंगे तो 40 plus x, फिर y ऐड करेंगे तो 40 plus x plus y, फिर 5 ऐड कर देंगे तो 45 plus x plus y. Now हमने डिस्कस किया था that these two values should be same. क्वेश्चन में गिवन है sum of frequencies 60, that is sigma fi 60 है. So जब हम इन दोनों को इक्वेट करेंगे, so we can write, हम शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं values 45 and x को, then we get y equals to 15 minus x, that is equation number 1. Now here we have given with median, but we don't have the exact value in the column of CF. We have the variables which can have any value. So how to find median class and other things? So the simple logic is definitely median will lie in the median class, and we can see the median is given to us. What is median? Median is 28.5. So to find median class, we can see that 28.5 will lie in this class interval. Definitely 20 और 30 के बीच में lie करेगा 28.5. So this class interval becomes median class. So if this is the median class, then this will be F and this will be CF. So we get the value of F and CF. Now as the median class is 20 to 30, so L is 20. Now X, the gap between lower limit and upper limit, that is 10. So H is 10. Now put the values in the formula of median. So we are given with median is 28.5, L is 20, n upon 2, the sum of frequency is 60, so n upon 2 is 60 upon 2, CF is 5 plus x, okay, and H is 10. अब bracket open करेंगे, 60 upon 2 30 as it is, bracket open करेंगे तो minus 5 minus x, ये 20 हमने इधर shift कर दिया है और इस 0 से 0 cancel हो जाएगी. Simplify करेंगे, then we get x equals to 25 minus 17, that is 8. Then we have a value of x. Now put the value of x in the equation number 1. Then we have y equals to 15 minus x, that is 15 minus 8 equals to 7, which is the required answer. Now let's take the next question, which is question number 3. In this question, it is given that the data of some policy holders is given and we need to find the median age of the policy holder. So this is a little bit different question. The data which is given to us here in the question, so that is the less than type data. That means we are given with below 20 the number of policy holder is 2, the below 25 the number of policy holder is 6, and so on. So the value which is given to us, that is cumulative frequency. That means we are given with the cumulative frequency. So first we need to find out class intervals and Fi. So in case of the less than distribution, that is if it is written less than or below, so the value which are written here are the upper limits of the class interval. So we can see that these values are the upper limit of the class interval. So we can see that these are the upper limits of the class intervals. Now we need to find the lower limit. So we can see as the upper limits are given to us and the gap between these values 5. तो 20 के 5 just पहले क्या आएगा 15, 25 से just 5 पहले क्या आएगा 20, and so on. We can find the other lower limits. So now we have found the class intervals. That now first we need to find out Fi. So we are given with CF. So to find Fi from the CF is just the reverse process of the when Fi is given and we were calculating CF. So initially when Fi was given and we were finding CF, what we were doing? We were doing the values Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to subtract the values. So first value will remain same, so 2 we will write same to same. Now what we will do, ये 2 को हम 6 में से subtract करेंगे, then what we get 4. then what we will do, हम 6 को 24 में से subtract करेंगे, then what we will get, then we get 18. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, 24 को 45 में से subtract करेंगे, then what we get 21. after that हम क्या करेंगे, 45 को 78 में से subtract करेंगे, then what we get 33. then what we will do, 78 को 89 में से subtract करेंगे, then we get 11. after that हम 89 को 92 में से subtract करेंगे, then what we get 3. after that 92 को 98 में subtract करेंगे, then we get 6. and 98 को 100 में से subtract करेंगे, then we get 2. now the value which we get in this process will be fi. so write down these values in the column of fi. we can see that these values are same which we have find here. so now we have find class intervals, we have calculated fi, and cf is given to us in the question. so write down these values in the same way. now we are with our solution table, so we need to find the median. For that, n upon 2, the sum of observation is 100, so n upon 2 will be 100 upon 2, 50. now the value of cf, which is just greater than 50, is 78. so this will become f, this will become median class, and this will become cf. so median class is 35 to 40. हमने cf फाइंड कर लिया है, f फाइंड कर लिया है. now lower limit of median class is L, so now we have L equals to 35. gap between lower limit and upper limit, that is class side, is 5. now put the values in the formula of median, that is L plus n upon 2 minus cf upon f into h. by putting the values and calculating, we get median equals to 35.76 years approx. Thank you.